Hello everyone, today we are going to build a simple automatic light detector using ElectroPlay Board. An automatic light detector, also known as light sensor or photocell, is a device based on the detected light levels. These sensors are commonly used in various applications such as automatic lighting control systems, security systems, and photography equipment. Automatic light detectors play a crucial role in energy conservation, automation, and enhancing the efficiency and convenience of various systems. They are widely used in everyday applications to improve safety, comfort, and energy efficiency. So, for this project, you're going to need the ElectroPlay board, an LDR, a screwdriver, two open-ended wires, jumper wires, and a 9-volt battery. So let's begin the experiment. So like every project, we're going to start with connecting a 6-volt 9-volt battery to a 1K resistor, that is J3. Then we're going to go ahead and take a red LED and connect the red wire to J4, and we'll connect the other wire, the other end, black end, to J44, which is the collector for our transistor BC547. Then we are going to go ahead and connect one wire from 6 volt 9 volt, orange wire or the brown wire for LDR. Put the LDR here, and the black wire will go to the base point of our transistor, which is J43. Now we are going to connect the J43 to a 10K resistor, that is J19, and we are going to go ahead and connect J20, the other terminal, directly to battery ground. Then we are going to go ahead and connect the emitter terminal for our transistor, that is J42, directly to battery ground. Then we are going to go ahead and take the LDR. We are going to connect the brown wire in the S2 terminal, and we are going to insert the black wire in the S1 terminal. Let's confirm if everything, yes. As the wires have been inserted properly, if your ElectroPlay board and the connections look something like this, all we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to connect the battery snapper to the battery, the 9-volt battery, and let's start. You can see as the light is falling onto the LDR, we can see that there is light on the LED. However, as soon as I turn off the light, the LED should also be turned off. Once again, if your project or your experiments also does the same thing, congratulations, you have just built an automatic light detector using ElectroPlay Board. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this.